We're going to replace the cabin air filter or pollen filter on this Audi A6. It's located on the passenger side, underneath the glove box, right up here. We don't need any special tools to change this air filter. We just need to remove these two plastic screws by hand. And there's a plastic hook over this side. And we can pull this piece of foam down, get it over the hook. The filter lives in here underneath this cover, so we need to remove this bit of foam out of the way. And then we can see the plastic tab here. We need to open it, and then it hinges down, pulls out. Then we can see the bottom of our filter. And we can pull it out. Oh, it's nice and clean. And we need to remember that this chamfer goes on the upper left hand side. Here's our new filter now. We're going to double check the size, make sure that it's correct, which it is. Just notice this little tab on the bottom, and the same on the old one. That's designed so that you can fold it down and pull the filter out, so that might be easier. I've slid the new filter in, and the cap is ready to click on. Push it into this tab first, and then click it up. And we can put our insulation back in and put our cover back on with the two screws. All back together now. Hopefully that was helpful. It's a very quick and easy job for anyone to do, and you don't need any special tools.